Screen gestures. Back. Swipe horizontally from edge of screen to return to the previous one. Left dial. Adjust the gimbal tilt. Right dial. You adjust the camera's zoom.
Next.
Left dial. Adjust gimbal tilt. Right one. Adjust the camera zoom. Buttons overview. Record. Press to record video. Shutter. Half press to autofocus. Full press to take
Every time
photo.
magbabasa siya.
Dili.
Okay na record.
RTH. Press and hold to enable smart RTH. Brake. Press to pause flight and hover. Switch flight modes. Cine smooth mode, normal, or sport mode. C1 and C2 buttons. Customize C1 and C2 button functions in DJI Fly. Solid red. Aircraft not connected. Solid green. Aircraft is connected. Solid yellow. Firmware update failed. Status indicator. Blinks blue. Linking with aircraft. Blinking in yellow. Low battery warning. Blinks cyan. Control sticks not centered. Blinks red. Smart controller temperature too high or aircraft battery is low. Adjust antenna position regularly when controlling aircraft to make sure aircraft is always within optimal transmission distance. Go to DJI Fly. Initializing resource data. It's now complete. DJI Fly is starting.
Okay, escape na, sir.
Wherever you are, you can film aerially.
Yeah, authorize all.
Authorized all.
Join.
Join.
Okay, next.
Before you fly,
Not now.
no fly spots nearby. Not now.
Okay, next.
Next.
Next. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so once nga makita na nanin yung screen, sir, tangan na nanin yung battery. I-on na ninyo. Pero since
Before you
lupat
fly,
na mamasa lang battery,
there should be no fly spots of interference.